Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Central Minnesota Fishing. We do more than just fishing. We hunt in my bedroom for... Anyhow, let's get to it. Alright, so I'm just gonna be doing some ice fishing stuff. This is my favorite rod. It's 2-in-1. I got a rod. Alright, so this is my newest rod. It is an Eagle Claw. Hey. Right here. Eagle Claw. This reel's a pile of junk. I don't know how to work it because I don't really care about it. I'm going to end up ditching it here pretty soon. $10 from a friend though. I mean, you can't beat that. But next is my tackle. Here we go. Shields Outfitters. This bin, I mean, it's got a bunch of your essentials. I have just bare Eagle Claw hooks in here. On this side I have a lot of split shots and other garbage. These two are my other expensive trees. These are my jigs. Got lots of different things. Let me make minnow fries. They work great in the summer for crappies, and for, you can catch lots of things. I've actually caught some rock bass on them and stuff. This is something I found under a dock. I've never used it. Just got some jigs here. Your basics. Next is to my second tray. I got some of my favorite things in here. Jig wraps. Swedish nipples. Swedish pimples. Miscellaneous spoons. Here. Take a look. Now I'm going to go through a couple of my favorite trailers for like football jig and stuff. But here we go. Personally, I've never caught crap on these. Whether they're Zoom, they look like wieners. The Woolly Hogtail Green Pumpkins. Probably haven't caught anything on those either. Here's something I have caught some on. The Yum Dinger. 6-inch Yum Dingers by Yum. The Yum Dinger. Ring a dinger. I mean, fishy's like a Texas rig. Yeah, I have no idea what these are. More things.
Six and a half hours later.
The biggest thing about ice fishing is casting. You just gotta have a really smooth reel. Casting, gotta have a smooth reel. Casting, gotta have a smooth reel. Smooth reel. We have a special offer for you viewers. When we hit 100 subscribers, we are actually going to send one of you an ice rod. Alright guys, so Jerry here is going to announce what it takes to enter in this giveaway. The rules to enter are simple. What you have to do is like this video subscribe to this channel, and comment a name of a fish. Alright, so here's the scoop. Chicken poop. So I will be sending one of you a rod in not this piece of PVC, because this is actually my rod case. I have this cutout right here. You can see my reel fits in there. Yeah, it's slick. Anyways. So I will be sending one of you, a rod the minute we hit 100 subscribers and you complete the rest of the tasks that Jerry told us. I will be sending you this rod that's inside of here currently in a piece of PVC, just like this one. So stay tuned and continue to watch. Oh, do you hear that? Sounds like it's time to go. Thank you for checking out our channel today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to win that rod. Thank you for watching.